Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Meet in 2025 as a complete beginner. So whether you are joining any online classes, team meetings or hosting any video calls, Google Meet is simple and easy to use. So let's go through everything step by step. First of all, you need to come here on meet.google.com. Then you need to sign in here with the help of your Google account. Now over here you are going to see two main options. The first is we have new meeting and the second one we have is enter a code or a link. So this is your main dashboard where you can basically start and join the meetings instantly. Now if you click on the option of new meeting, you will see three further options. We have first of all create a meeting for later. So you can choose this option if you want a link to share. You can select the second option of start an instant meeting to jump into the meeting immediately. You can select the third option, which is schedule in the Google Calendar, if you want the reminders or the invitations. So if you select the option of instant meeting, let's say, your camera preview window will be opened right away in front of you. So before joining, make sure you check your preview screen. At the bottom, you can turn on and off the camera. You can just simply mute the microphone. You can even unmute it. You can select the microphone or the speakers using the arrow icons. If you want a clean background, you can just simply click on the option of effects. Then you can blur the background or choose a virtual background. When you are ready, simply click on the option of join now here in the bottom. Now, if we go back here on this page, you are going to see that your meeting is now started. Now you can just share that meeting with anyone else and you can ask people to join you in that meeting. Now, if you already have a link or a code from any of the meetings, you can just simply paste it over here, then click on the option of join. And this way too, you can just simply join the meeting. So this way you can create a new meeting for yourself or you can join someone else's meeting with the help of this option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.